What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I got the stage 3 BTR truck cam in. It's the complete kit. It has the DOD delete, the active fuel management delete, and the valve springs, the cam, everything. This is going to be a project coming up in a few weeks. But today I'm going to be assembling the rods on the pistons and the LS3 build for Mr. Softy. Alright guys, back in the shop. I'm working on the lightning motor. Got the lightning in. Started ripping up the harness, getting all the old stuff out. Going with the Holly, as you guys saw. Dominator system, the harness here, check the harness, the trick flow heads there. I'm actually doing the rear main seal now. Gonna clean it up, put the new seal in there. Short blocks here. I just put the pickup tube on a minute ago. So I'm gonna actually hoist this up, get the rear main seal on, and go from there. Alright guys, get the rear main seal on. Now I'm gonna get the engine back on the stand. Started cleaning some stuff up in here. I'm waiting on the MSD transmission controller with the harness so I can start wiring that up. Come over here. I finished pigtails on the harness for the new injectors. Wired them up all clean, nice. Everything else here. Engine harness is here. I'm going to do the transmission harness first. Waiting on the head gaskets so I can put the cylinder heads on the engine. Engine's ready to go. Oil pans on, everything. Rear main seal. As soon as I get the head gaskets, I'll put the heads on the engine. That way I can get it ready. I got the oil and the fuel filter for the Fox body. That's the only thing left I got to do is change the oil, replace the fuel filter. Right, as you can see, it's a garage car. I can't show the engine. That's the Fox you've seen in my Instagram and Facebook. There's Cade, the scooter, my son, playing. There's Jake right there. What's up, Jake? What you doing? Wanna say hi to everybody?
Hi.
This is the LS Fox body. It's got a power glide in it. Alright, we're down here dropping off some Badmaro, the pistons and the rods, and I got the block in the back, getting it checked out. Start on that build. And I just been sitting around. I finally getting to it, the build.
Okay.
I believe. No, I don't think you haven't had this block, so you haven't checked it. But it has been checked in the past, and it's a good Gen 4 block. I'll have you go over everything, make sure.
Okay. Are these oversized pistons or standard?
They're standard size. You may just have to own it, just between the cylinders.
Okay.
Mama, just leave all this with you.
Yeah, gotta have it all about.
It's a clean.
Yeah.
If you want to just check it over and make sure the deck's good and stuff, and
Sure.
should.
Make everything put some cam bearings in it.
Yep. I'll get the crank and put the crank over there. All right, guys. I'm over here at my brother Ernie's house. He's working on Volkswagen, getting a head gasket done on it. We pull the head. This is GTO, turbo GTO. What you got going on?
Pulling the head off. Twin turbo. No, single turbo. V shooter.
1.8T.
Yeah, KO3.
It's overheating. You're gonna pull the head and slap the head gasket on
The
it.
head gasket.
Yeah. This is GTO right here. Clean this GTO in Savannah. Go see what. It's got a 5.3 in it with 80 VS racing millimeter. VS Racing turbo on it with TH400. He's gonna pull the transmission. He's having some transmission issues. Peep it. It's got the Doug Fab turbo kit on it. There it is. Same turbo I got on Badmaro. VS80 billet wheel. It's got the 5-inch hood X exhaust.
What's your wing special?
Yeah, you gotta get this thing out. Fuel system needs to be done.
I know. I gotta get the transmission fixed first. The tune's already good on it. I mean, all I gotta do is fucking get the trans fixed and go and fucking split wigs.
Yeah, what you waiting on?
I had nothing but fucking trans issues, man. A
You already got the
TH400.
tire?
It's probably because it's a heavy fucking pig, but it only weighs 3,500 pounds. It ain't like a fucking coyote.
Yeah. It's not too heavy.
No, not at all. I'm gonna get it to 32. I'm gonna put Kirky seats in it. Take out this rear seat delete, do a rear seat delete. I'm gonna put an aluminum block in it, built aluminum block.
Yeah, do work. This thing will be up for sale. It's actually already on Facebook Marketplace. It had some overheating issues. So he's gonna fix it up, put it back up there for sale. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a quick video of Badmaro. As you know, it is a shop car. I'm gonna tell you the setup I got going on here. I'm gonna do another video of from 2007 when I bought the car all the way till now. But this video I'm just gonna do a quick overall of what's done to it. The motor is a stock Gen 4 5.3. It's got ARP rod bolts, stock rods, stock pistons, gap rings. It has Trick Flow 225 heads on it. Has valve springs, push rods, lifters, all that good stuff. F-body oil pan. Stage 3 BTR turbo cam in it. I have a VS Racing 80mm billet wheel. The Doug Fab turbo kit. Everything was done here at Myatt's garage. It's got a built TH400 transmission, a 8.8 with 327 gears. Midwest chassis cage. It has Midwest chassis suspension, anti-roll bar, all that good stuff. It's on Holley EFI. I got the dash, the motion race work, steering wheel with the trans brake and bump box button. Has a precision shifter, Kirky seats, has a cage, all that good stuff. It's on CO2. The car went 163 on 26 pounds of boost on the roll race. I did win the roll race at FL2K, which was pretty fun. I haven't got to dig the car. I was taking it to go dig it. I popped the head gasket and I decided not to run the motor to get it. I don't want to mess anything up. So I have a built 5.3. It's at the machine shop now, getting ready to put that in it. I actually gonna take the Trick Flow heads and put them on there, and that way I can get back, do some digs with it, and get some times with it and get some more footage for you guys. It also has ID 2000 injectors, 2 Aeromotive A1000 fuel pumps in it, the 44mm tile wastegates, and then the 50mm tile blow-off valve. Other than that, I will have some more videos of the build and internals and when I put the motor together and stuff like that. But I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the car. I'm gonna do a full video of only Badmaro and going from the day I bought the car all the way up till now and all the changes that happened to it. And Hope you guys liked the video. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the car. Well, I hope you guys liked the video.